Hello, my amazing learners. Welcome back to Queen Sanaz English, where language comes to life. I'm thrilled to have you here today. Are you ready to boost your vocabulary and confidence in English? Today, we're diving into Lesson 15 of the legendary book 504 Absolutely Essential Words. These words are powerful tools that will help you sound more fluent and natural in English. So, grab your notebook, get comfy, and let's make learning fun. In this lesson, we'll explore 12 new words, learn their meanings, see them in action, and practice using them in real-life sentences. By the end, you'll be one step closer to mastering English like a pro. One, expand. To make larger or wider. Enlarge. Increase. Shrink. Reduce. The company plans to expand its services to Europe. Two, alter. To change or modify. Adjust, revise, preserve, maintain. She had to alter her schedule to attend the meeting. Three, mature. Fully developed physically or mentally. Grown up, responsible. Immature, childish. He's very mature for his age. 4. Sacred, holy or connected with religion. Divine, spiritual, profane, secular. The shrine is sacred to millions of believers. Five, revise. To change or improve something. Edit, update, ignore, neglect. I need to revise my notes before the exam. 6. Pledge, a serious promise. Vow, commitment. Betrayal, denial. He made a pledge to support the cause. 7. Casual, relaxed and informal. Easygoing, laid back. Formal, serious. They had a casual lunch at the cafe. 8. Pursue, to follow or chase. Seek, follow. Abandon, ignore. She decided to pursue her dream of becoming a doctor. Unite, to come together or join. Combine, merge, separate, divide. The team united to finish the project. 10. Fortunate, lucky or blessed. Favored, lucky. Unlucky, unfortunate. We were fortunate to escape the storm unharmed. 11. Compare. To examine similarities and differences. Contrast. Evaluate. Ignore. Isolate. Let's compare the two phones before buying one. 12. Consider. To think carefully about something. Reflect. Contemplate. Disregard. Neglect. You should consider all options before making a decision. Lesson 15. Reading. The storm that united us. It was a major disaster, one that the city had never experienced before. The storm arrived suddenly, destroying homes, flooding streets, and leaving thousands without shelter. The mayor, realizing the emergency plan was outdated, had to revise it immediately. He called an emergency meeting and pledged to provide full support to all affected citizens. Despite the warnings, many people were reluctant to leave their homes. They feared losing their belongings, and some didn't believe the storm would be as bad as predicted. But as the number of casualties rose, it became clear that evacuation was necessary. Rescue teams worked day and night, trying to pursue every possible way to reach trapped families. Volunteers joined in, showing vigilant behavior as they searched through debris and listened for cries for help. The government tried to signify its concern by sending food, water, and medical supplies. Conditions were harsh, cold winds, heavy rain, and no electricity. Yet, people remained sensitive to one another's needs. Neighbors shared blankets, food, and comfort. In one shelter, a brawl broke out between two men over a sleeping space, but others quickly stepped in to calm the situation. As days passed, something remarkable happened. People from different backgrounds began to unite. They cooked together, cleaned together, and even sang songs to lift each other's spirits. The tragedy had brought out the best in them. The storm, though devastating, had created a new sense of community, one built on empathy, cooperation, and hope. Congratulations, my dear learners! You've just completed lesson 15 of the 504 absolutely essential words, and I couldn't be prouder of you. Today we explored powerful words like major, revise, reluctant, casualties, pledge and unite, words that help us describe real-life situations, emotions, and decisions. These aren't just vocabulary items, they're tools for expressing your thoughts with clarity and confidence. I know learning new words can feel overwhelming at times, but remember, every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be vigilant in your practice, sensitive to your progress, and never stop pursuing your goals. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to revise it again tomorrow. Repetition is the key to mastery. And if you're feeling reluctant to move on, just know that you're stronger than you think. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Your dedication signifies your commitment to growth, and I pledge to keep supporting you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss lesson 16. It's going to be even more exciting. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and as always, keep shining and keep learning.